How to fix file format or file extension is not valid in Excel pops up. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, go to Files and Folders and search for the extension is not valid. File. Simply click on it. Right click on it and you'll find Properties on bottom. Click on Properties and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Make sure in security there is tick marking on block. After that, apply it. Then open Excel and go to options, which is the last option below account. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click in Trust Center and you'll find message bar. Above message bar, you'll find protected view. Make sure there's no tick mark in all the three options. After that, you're good to go. That's how to fix if file format or file extension is not valid in Excel pops up. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. And Sophia signing off until next time.